Hello and welcome back to the channel guys, and in this video we will be talking about how you can enhance the battery life of your iPhone. iPhones are great pieces of tech and very simple yet very amazing smartphones. But the most bothering part of every iPhone is its battery life. Here I am with 10 tips to enhance the battery life of your iPhone. So stay tuned with the video. As you might know, every iPhone uses location services in order to continuously monitor your location and get you the location-based alerts. This can harm the battery backup of your iPhone, and therefore I'll show you how you can disable these applications which you don't use that much. I have my iPhone X and I'll guide you step by step how you can enhance the battery life of your iPhone. So for privacy settings, let's go to settings, scroll down, go to privacy and location services, and we will disable the location services for all those applications we don't use the most. Like I don't want Air Matters to use my location, and therefore I'll toggle it to never. If there are certain applications which you require only once or twice daily, not every time, then you can toggle it to while using the application. This tip will drastically increase your battery life. So now let's jump to the second tip. The second tip that I have for you to enhance the battery life of your iPhone is disabling the background app refresh. This is a feature that allows the iPhone to continuously refresh the content of any application. This way you have the latest news or updates of any application. But I don't think you require this feature for every application, and therefore I'll show you how to disable it. Again, from the home screen we will go to settings. We will go to general. And here we will go to background app refresh. I have already turned off this feature for all applications, but you can turn it on for certain applications if you need the latest updates of that application. This will help you increase the battery life even further. Now let's jump to the third tip. The third tip is easy and you might already have heard about it. It's disabling the notifications for certain applications. This way you're saving a lot of battery by informing your iPhone that you don't use certain applications. I'll show you how you can disable the notifications for certain applications. Again, we will go to settings. We will head down to notifications, and here you can disable the notifications for those applications you don't require. Like in my case, I don't want notes applications to give me notifications. I'll disable this like this, and we are done. Even this tip helps a lot in saving battery. The fourth tip is about low power mode. Many of you use it the wrong way. This feature is only used when you have less battery left in the iPhone and you want to use it for a longer period. And I don't recommend you to keep it on all the time, as it decreases the performance of the phone. And specifically make sure it is not switched on when you're charging the phone. Otherwise it will result in more time for charging the phone. The fifth tip that I have for you is switching between the Wi-Fi and cellular modes. Many of us forget to do this, and therefore it consumes a lot of battery. If you're indoor and the Wi-Fi is connected, make sure the cellular mode is off, and this way you will save a lot of battery. And if you're outdoor, make sure the cellular mode is on and Wi-Fi is off. Otherwise the iPhone is continuously looking for Wi-Fi networks. Tip number 6 towards enhancing the battery life of your iPhone is not closing the applications in multitasking menu. It is a good practice to always close the applications which you don't use, right? But no, that's not the case. If you're closing those applications and opening them again, you're forcing the iPhone to consume more battery. Therefore, I recommend keeping those applications open which you require or you use frequently. The seventh tip is turning off the haptic feedback and the vibration. I would recommend to turn off the vibration and haptic feedback, as this will save a lot of battery. It is only useful if you keep the iPhone in silent mode. The haptic feedback and vibration uses a small motor which is powered by the same battery of the iPhone, and therefore it will help you enhance the battery life a lot. The eighth tip that I have for you is disabling the automatic updates. You know that it is necessary to keep the phone updated, right? But the automatic update feature is continuously looking for updates from the Apple server and thereby consuming a lot of battery. Therefore, I recommend you to turn it off. Tip number 9 is very important. That is the manual network selection. iPhone and other smartphones have this feature to continuously monitor the network strength and network type, and thereby it consumes a lot of battery. So it is a good practice to select the network yourself manually. Let me show you how you can do that. We will go to settings and then mobile data and network selection. Here you can see it is automatic. We will turn off this, and as I know my service provider is Vodafone, I'll select Vodafone. And that's it, it's done. Tip number 10 is manually selecting your brightness level. You might be surprised with that because many people tell you to keep the brightness level to automatic, but I personally recommend you to manually select the brightness level. This way you're saving a lot of battery, as every iPhone continuously tries to adapt to the environment you are in. Let me show you how you can do that. We will go to settings, and here we will go to accessibility, display and text size, all the way down to auto brightness, and we will disable this function. And now you can decrease the brightness or increase the brightness whenever you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.